What's up, guys? Today is Friday, June 25th, 2021. I am hustling here, always in a hurry anymore. I'm going to pick up Pops. We're going to the weight room. Dad's been you know, doing some walking on the treadmills, and I've been doing some weight training in the weight room. And then, of course, 1 to 2 times a day, not counting the weight room, I've been trying to get some cardio in, doing some cycling usually at night, and a walk or a very, 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 very light run at some point during the day. So basically about 3 different workouts a day I've been trying. My eating habits haven't been doing so good. Supposed to kind of be doing a keto or a low carb diet, and I really am doing way better. I'm not snacking, I'm not eating a bunch of junk and sugar. I'm just eating, you know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Some carbs may be involved every now and then in some of those, you know, lunches or dinners, but I've really cut back. I've lost about 14 pounds as of right now. I'm trying. So, anyways, this is more than likely going to be an extremely short vlog. It's just kind of to serve as more of an update more than anything. Some of you guys may know that, you know, we're friends like in real life in RL, or, you know, or if we're friends on social media. Our youngest son, Ford, who just turned 4 months old a few days ago, he tested positive for RSV, which, in case you don't know, is a respiratory virus. It can get pretty scary, it can get pretty hairy, but thank goodness Ford is just fine. He got admitted to the hospital. We had to stay 2 nights, but he is doing much better now. Our son Bodie had it when he was 6 months old, and of course, you know, Ford just had it when he was 4 months old. So a lot of RSV going on right now, and again, it can get pretty scary, you know, in the little babies and everything. So anyways, here in Dad's hood, about to pick him up. Gonna go get our sweat on, and then yeah, not really sure, no big plans for the rest of the day, but I've been trying to keep my presence on YouTube, you know, going, and I've got some exciting things coming up on the channel. Got a new toy, I guess you could call it, a new lake toy for the boat and accessory. Can't wait to kind of share and showcase some of that. But anyways, too much of this already. Let's get to the gym. What up, stranger?
What's up, Coach Bombay?
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be in this together.
All right, well, quick little workout there. Got a little sweat in. Now I'm headed to take Pop back to his crib, and then I'm gonna get home and I don't know, we'll see what's going on. All right then, homie, good workout.
All right, see you later, man.
Later. Just got the old man dropped off, and I was just informed that Samantha and Ford are going down for a nap, and I have been instructed not to wake them up, but to wake them up if they sleep till 1:40. So what I think I'm actually gonna do in order to help myself potentially not wake them up is I'm gonna utilize this time to hop on the bike, even though it is 94 degrees outside. and I'm gonna do some cycling. I'm feeling a little guilty because the last couple of days, obviously being in the hospital, I haven't been able to, you know, continue my good cardio streak that I've been on for the past 2 or 3 weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the bike and do a little more sweating. So I'm about 1 3/4 miles into this ride. Right now, I'm keeping my head on a swivel. I half jokingly say that. Apparently, all around this area, down here in Renlet Park, which is one of the local parks here in Anadarko, there was a big press release from the city of Anadarko not long ago that there have in fact been a bunch of wild hog sightings around here, which wild hogs are very common in this part of the country, and particularly in southwest Oklahoma here, but we've never really had problems with them being around the local park. So I don't know, guess I got lucky today. No wild hog sightings. Cameron, what up, man?
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see.
All right, well, 3.5 miles later, I'm pulling up to the crib. I'll go get cleaned up and see what's next.
Close to me, that's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be honest together.
I wonder. Wondering about the wind situation. It doesn't look too windy to fly the drone. Well, as you can see, Ford is having a little snack here. I'm super proud of him. He's still not completely out of the woods yet. I mean, he's still, you know, he's still a little wheezy, still has a little bit of a cough, but man, he's just made major strides in the right direction, turned it around. The past 6 or 7 days have been so rough, not only on poor little Ford here, but on Mama and Daddy too. He basically was just crying or whining if he wasn't asleep. And so, like, it's just been rough, and now he's just back to his old little self in a good mood, and his appetite's back, as you can see. So just really thankful, blessed, just so happy. It's so rough seeing the little guys be sick. If you happen to be one of those who sent some prayers up or sent some positive thoughts or vibes this way, Samantha and I can't stress enough how much we truly do appreciate it. Just don't ever want your little ones, or really anyone you know, to go through anything like that. So it's been rough, but hopefully we're going to be trending, you know, back towards the right direction, getting these boys healthy and happy. So guys, I tell you what, I'm actually, it's only, oh, sorry about that, Ford. So yeah, she's gonna sit here and let this little guy knock out these 4 ounces and wait for Samantha and Bodie to get home. The situation is, it is 5 after 9 p.m. We are about to head out east of town. The city of Anadarko is having their annual 4th of July celebration tonight. It's very rare that they can get it to line up and fall right on the 4th of July. Usually it's a little bit closer. Why not have it next weekend, you may be asking yourself. Well, apparently there was some kind of scheduling issue with a bunch of the vendors or something like that. Don't come to me for the official you know, information from the city of Anadarko, because I don't know. This is all just kind of hearsay and kind of what I recall hearing somewhere. Anyways, they're gonna be popping fireworks from the fairgrounds here in Anadarko. So of course I'm going to take my drone and try to get some decent aerial photos and videos of the fireworks with my drone. So I'm gonna pick up my dad again, because as many of you may or may not know, he is a photographer, does a lot of freelance photography, and he's gonna take some photos. So anyways, here at Dad's, and we're gonna get across east of town, and we'll see how good I can or can't do with the aerial photos and video. What up?
What's up, man?
Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see. I'm on my handheld Sony right now. It's pretty dark out. Current time is 9:20 p.m. I think these fireworks are supposed to start about 9:45. We wanted to get out here a little early so we could grab us a spot, but supposed to be happening right over in this general vicinity. But anyways, got the drone behind me, and when we get closer to 9:45, I'll start getting the drone ready to fly. And I'll probably put this camera that I'm talking into right now and just into time-lapse mode or something like that. So.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could
Sir, what'd you think about the firework display tonight?
I thought it was outstanding, man. I felt real patriotic watching it.
All right, just made it back in. It is 10:45 p.m. saying I am tired, I am sleepy, I am wore out is a massive understatement. There is 0% chance I'm staying up tonight and editing this vlog like I have done so many of times. But you know, being in the hospital the past couple of nights and not sleeping probably maybe an hour to 3 hours per night, I'm going to bed. Guys, I know it wasn't much of a vlog, but again, I wanted to get something out because it's been a while since I put out a vlog. Again, I have an exciting item, some cool stuff upcoming in the future on this channel. Again, it's an accessory for the boat at the lake, so be sure to be watching out for that on this channel. Like I always say, be sure to comment, say hi, say what's up. Whew. Until the next one, vlog number 316.
Over! Go Yankees!